Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to remove UEFI NTFS partition from USB drive in Windows 11, 10, 8 and 7. I show you guys how to do it. All data will be deleted guys in USB drive. Please back up it to another disk, and after that just close stuff here. Go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for these commands used in my video. Just copy and paste it one by one. After pasting list disk, open up a file explorer, go to this PC. Now you just need to find your USB number by its size. In my case, my USB drive size is 58 GB. As you can see right over here, the USB device number is disk 2. Number is 2. Now you just need to change this X to 2 and copy this command and paste it in. Press enter. Disk 2 is now the selected disk. Now copy and paste the commands one by one. Succeed in cleaning the disk. After that, copy paste the next command and copy and paste the last command. Press enter. Just need to wait for this to get 100. After getting this completed 100%, now you just need to close tab here, and that's how you can remove UEFI NTFS partition from USB drive. And that's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.